That's the DHL package, all the way from Taiwan. That's what the box looks like. Well packaged in bubble wrap, and here it is. So that's the travel bag. And there's, I'm assuming, a quick start manual, user manual, yeah. And it's in a number of languages. And here it is. And that's the cap, goes on top. Yep. Snug fit, and it's the same color as the unit itself. And this is for the car. Like, this goes in here, and that's hold on. Oh, here it is. So that's USB-C slot, and there's a cable. And the cable, it's USB-C on one end, USB-C goes in the Duo, and that's your usual USB-A, USB-B, the old style. Ta-da! It's on. So it's blue, which is, let me see. And now it's red, the night mode, much quieter. I almost can't hear it standing right next to it. And it's off. And it's on. So the red light is night mode and the blue light is day mode. And it works straight out of the box. Just perfect. So the air goes in here and out of the top, and can point it in any direction you like. So here works straight out of the box. Looks very nice.